Let us see the process of installing mobile app, which is useful for telemedicine video consultation. For that, you will receive a SMS in your registered mobile number. The SMS contain the login credential along with the mobile app link to install in the mobile. So the SMS will be shown like this. You need to click on the link. For it have both the links, one for Android, another for iOS mobile. So you need to click on the link. Once you click on the link, the app will automatically install into your device. So once it is installed, the app will show like this. Just the app will show like this. So you need to log in into the app using the mobile number as your user ID and password as your date of birth. So I am going one user ID, let's say and then and password is the patient date of birth is in DDMM YYYY format. So once you will log in successfully, the login page will show like this. So you can see the my profile, dashboard, video call, all these options are available over here. So next thing you need to do as a patient, you need to attach the prescription and report, latest report in the report option, so that when the consultation start, before that doctor will see the patient related prescription and reports, and then will do the consultation. For that you need to click on the report, click on the plus sign, give the report type, then give the sub report type, then give the practice as games. Then you need to click on the link option, then choose from gallery. You need to choose from the gallery, and then simply need to click on the save. On save, the prescription or report will save into the patient report option. So before consultation, doctor can refer these reports and prescription, and then it will be easier for doctors to prescribe the medicines. So after you attach this prescription and reports, you simply need to minimize the app. Then after that, uh, once your consultation started, once your consultation has been got over, then doctor will write the e-prescription. So it will once the prescription is ready, you will the medicine part will show in the prescription option. Once you click on the prescription, you will see the prescribed medicine will be shown like this. For example, if the doctor has prescribed Glycomet SR 500, the dosage, frequency, direction to use, all these things will be shown like this. So you can show this to your pharmacy, and you will get the medicine accordingly. After this, if you want to get the clinical note like digital e-prescription, you need to go to any browser, need to write kims dot manage my health dot in. So in the user ID and passwords, the same user ID and password you need to give as you have you have login as in the app, like so password what you have given in the app, the same thing here you need to write. Here you will see in the patient profile, in the main menu you can see the clinical note. Once you click on the clinical note, you will see the PDF format also available, image format also available. You can download this. So I am going to show you how the clinical note will show. So the prescription will show like this. It will help in your you can claim in your office also. You can keep this and refer in your next visit, in your next OPD visit. So that's all. Even you can you have so many options for here. So like you can attach the report in web also. Here in the report, just click on the plus sign and here you can attach. The same thing you can attach over here. So that, thank you. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.